BigRock Review. BigRock Web Hosting starts out with a basic, easy-to-use plan and scales all the way up to an expert's package. What BigRock offers. BigRock is a leading provider of various web hosting services related to domains. Due to its vast experience, BigRock helps enterprises scale new heights by providing world-class services like domain name registration and website hosting. BigRock Hosting Plans. First starting plan 99 rupees per month, second advanced plan 179 rupees per month, third business plan 379 rupees per month. BigRock Services. First, domain registration. Domain registration is a must for any company that wants to tap the huge potential of online marketing. BigRock, one of India's best-rated domain registration and hosting services, caters to all the company's needs related to domains. Second, web hosting. BigRock hosts more than 200,000 websites and offers an array of hosting options for various needs, including Linux hosting and WordPress hosting, among others. Third, email hosting. BigRock has more than 1 million clients, providing personalized best email hosting services, and is among the most credible providers of customized email service. Here's what we promise. Enterprise email for large companies with unlimited email accounts, high volume storage facility, 2 GB each, antivirus and anti-spam protection.